croutons to this salad. They bring an extra crunch, a light golden crispiness, and a warm, toasty flavor. For the dressing, a little mustard can be added. It brings a gentle sharpness, a light tang, and a subtle depth that lifts all the flavors. You can also add a touch of garlic. It gives a warm, aromatic note. If your dressing feels a bit too light, simply add a little more oil slowly. It will become thicker, richer, more creamy. Store the dressing in the fridge for up to 5 days.